Good morning students. Today we will continue our previous GK class. So today we will be taking GK period, okay? So first of all we need to download the PDF again. So you can find your PDF on the link which is available on your class group description. So you need to go to this link and click on Classic GK. Then all of your PDFs will be in date wise, okay? Whenever we have class it will be in date wise. So this one is 12, right? So on was 12 on May 12th it was our first class which was your GK. So first of all let me you need to tap class chapter 1, tap on download. So after clicking on download, today class will also be available on that link as today's date, okay? So we have completed till this one, right? National anthem, the Jana Gana Mana, originally composed in Bengali by whom? Rabindranath Tagore, famous poet, okay? So was adopted in Hindi version by Constituent Assembly as the national anthem. I won't go to the depth as I don't think GK needs too much attention to its description. I will just highlight whatever it is written. So it was adapted in Hindi version, okay? It was written. So here national anthem, the national anthem Jana Gana Mana was originally composed, was written in Bengali, okay, by Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore, famous poet, and then it was again translated into Hindi version by the Constituent Assembly as the national anthem on 24th January 1950, which was Republic Day, day before Republic Day. Okay, it was first sung on 27th December 1911 at Calcutta. So it was very early, right? 1911 was before independence. Session of the Indian Congress. Session of the Indian Congress. We used to sing this song on our Republic Day, right? By hosting a flag. The stanza contains full version of the national anthem. The playing time, okay, we used to sing this national anthem, right? So we don't know the approximate time. So our flag have too much restriction, okay, according its measurement. So the playing time of the full version of the anthem is approximately 52 seconds, okay? The Jana Gana Mana should sung only in 50 before 52 seconds. It should a person must take only 52 seconds to sing the full song, okay? So this is Jana Gana Mana Adina, we all know about it, right? National song. So national anthem, our national anthem is Jana Gana Mana, and what is our national song? It is Vande Mataram. We all know about it, right? So the poem Vande Mataram was also composed in Bengali and Sanskrit by Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay was adopted as the national song on 24th January 1950. Same, okay? You see this one. But it was sung on 1911 December. So Bankim Chandra, it has been taken from Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay's novel Anandnath, from where the national song was taken. Anandmat, okay, Anandmat novel. So it has a greater source of information during the Indian independence movement. It was first sung in 1896 session of the Indian National Congress. uh, in our ancient time, Indian National Congress INC was commonly known, okay? Nowadays BJP, then some other parties are very famous. National game. So we all know about national game, which is hockey. Hockey is considered as national game. Why it was? Because at that time India team has won 8 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze medal in the Olympic. Dhyan Chand, who is known as one of the greatest field hockey player of all India, was known as the Wizard. So this is the photo of Dhyan Chand. So this is the photo of Dhyan Chand. But nowadays cricket is more on our mind, right? But still, in early period, this national game was hockey. Because why do we say hockey is national? game, it is because at that time Indian hockey team has won 8 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronzes. Can you see these gaps? So the question might come as, what is the national game of India, or maybe how many goals did a hockey player won on the national game of the Olympics, something like that. Okay, so national animal, it is the Royal Bengal tiger. Okay, it is not just like a Royal Bengal tiger, this is national animal. So it is symbol of grace. So why do we call it? Because it is symbol of grace, strength, agility and enormous power, right? So all these features are available, all these features, or I mean, is available on a tiger, right? Why do we all know tiger is very strong, we all fear for that. So this is why our we name it as national animal. And numerous population tiger, project tiger. So we have already studied about the project tiger, right? Tiger conserving, reserving tiger. So now national bird peacock in India is considered to be national bird of India. It is protected under the India Wildlife. Okay, this one is WILDLIFE Protection Act. So peacock is our national bird and tiger is our national animal. So it is fully protected. No one can cause any harm to peacock. Okay, as it is our national bird. So the act is Protection Act 1972. The male of the species is more colorful than females. National flower lotus. This one is BJP symbol lotus. The national flower of India. It is considered to be sacred flower as per the Indian tradition. So here are some. The national frog of India by law, Khilari special cotton. So this is the some species about our national flag. Okay, so they are made in the cotton are made in. They are using some kind of clothes. Okay, there are very rare type of clothes. Not originally used on normal clothes. Okay, they are very rare type of clothes. Then the colors, so all things are different all over. We just saw its flag as orange something like that, but they are a combination of many colors. So now presidents president of India. So Dr. Rajendra Prasad was the first president of India. So there are maybe total of 12, 13, 14. Okay, now the current one is 14 presidents till now. Now Dr. Rajendra Prasad was first in the uh, current is most important. Okay, first in the current, so and former as well. So Dr. Rajendra Prasad, his tenure was 1950 to 1962. Then come Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, then Zakir Hussain, something and etc etc. Okay, I won't go to the depth. You can learn it by yourself. I might ask you as who is the first president of India. Okay, I might ask you, or maybe who was the 12th president of India. So now another, we all are familiar with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. He is very famous. Okay, he is very famous, right? Now first woman president was who? Pratibha Patil. So it was currently in news, right? Pratibha Patil. So his her tenure was 2007 to 2012. They are having 5 years of tenure. Okay, means their presidential seat is only for 5 years. After that 5 years they will elect, there will be an election again. So in our recent times till 2012 to 2017. Okay, 2012 to 2017, Sri Pranab Mukherjee was our president. Now he is no more due to some reason. Now our current president is, whom do you know? Ramnath Kovind. Ramnath Kovind is the current president of India. Okay, you need to remember. His tenure started from 2018. So this is all. Today we will discuss only that much. Then in your next class we will go to chapter 2. So I will provide this PDF already available on this link. Your PDF is already available on that link which is in your group description. Read this carefully, and if you have any confusion regarding this topic, then you can text me. If you say it explain it again, then I will explain. You can also use the doubt form, okay? If you hesitate to text me directly. Thank you.